So if you want to know what the repurchase rate is for 2+ purchases or 3+ or 4+, this is the analysis for you. So this tells you the amount of customers that come back and buy a second time for 2+ purchases. Now, if you want to know what does it look like to look for if they come back and buy for the third time, you would quickly toggle here and go to 3+. And quickly you'll see the stat. And you can look at it in different time frames. So it's always helpful, I think, to look at it by cohorts to see if the time that you acquire these customers or seasonality impacts when people come back and buy again. But if you want an overall stat to understand the difference between 2+ orders and 3+ orders, or between 2 and 3 orders and 3 and 4, you can quickly use this analysis, repurchase rate by cohort, and toggle between the number of purchases, the number of orders. And so there you go. And just to read this chart for you, we can say, and this is looking at the last 12 months of data, but we can look at all data. And we can see, now if let's go to the summary row, and we can see that let's use 6 months as the time frame, or we can use a year, that within 12 months, there are 5.7% of customers have ordered 4 or more times. What does it look like for if they've only ordered 1 extra time? So for 2+ purchases, almost 27%, 26.9% of customers within a year have ordered at least 1 more time, so 2+ times. 3+ orders, almost 12%. So that's the way you can see it. Now, you might be curious, the second part is what are they buying? So we have this analysis, top products by order number, where you can quickly toggle to see what's the ranking of products that people are buying on order number 2, order number 3, order number 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So this is a custom metric that we can add onto your accounts. So we're trying to show you all the different things that make up the different purchasing paths, telling you the amount of customers that come back at these different order intervals, and then what are the ranking and popularity of products that they're buying. And there you go. Thanks.